Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to zoom in and zoom out laptop screen. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Modern computers have many helpful built-in tools to make life easier, including the ability to zoom in and out on your Windows screen. This magnification tool can be helpful for those who simply need larger text at all time or who need to get a closer look at something specific in an image or document. So how to do it if you want to zoom in or zoom out on your laptop screen? So it's very simple to zoom in or zoom out on your laptop screen. You can use the shortcut key. The shortcut key is Control plus key. Or if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can just press the Control key and also the plus or minus key. So I'll show you in here. For example, we'll try to open this. Now, to zoom in and zoom out, you can press the key Control and also plus to zoom in, and to zoom out, again press the Control and minus uh, key like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to zoom in or zoom out on your laptop screen. It's very simple, right? So that is how to zoom in or zoom out on your laptop screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.